Hey everyone, I'm Sara from Edcafe, and today I'm going to walk you through how to create flashcards for new language vocabulary right inside of Edcafe. Flashcards are a great, fun, and interactive way to reinforce key terms like animal names, colors, everyday actions, just making language learning a little bit more interactive and engaging and effective for students. So let's dive in and see how you can customize your flashcards to fit your different language learning needs. Okay, so back inside of Edcafe, we can create a new flashcards here. And for your topic, you can add in any topic, a text, a web page, or a file. For this example, we will just do places here, and then you can select a different template. We'll do term and definition, and on the front, you can actually edit these to be exactly what you need. So for this, let's just remove this and just add a word in English here. And the same thing on the back. Now we'll have our word in Spanish. Then we can go through, select your number of cards, and if you want any images. I like to add images to the back so that if students understand the word, they can flip it over and see what it is. And then you can add your student level, so adjust this as needed, and then we can go ahead and generate our flashcards. So as they're being generated, you're able to review. You can see that we have our English term here and our Spanish term. So feel free to always go back and edit and adjust. If you want to add also the definition of the word, maybe we do this in English so that students are only working on that word there, then we can generate again. So you can use those edits and adjustments to make these flashcards exactly what you want to share with your students to help them review and learn this new language vocabulary. So as you scroll through, feel free to edit and adjust. You can even add images to the front if you want instead of on the back, or you can always go through and edit and adjust those images. But once everything is set and you're ready, you can save it. And then once it's saved inside of your Edcafe AI library, you can go ahead and share it and assign it to your students using this assign key here. Take a look at other videos on the Edcafe AI channel to learn more about sharing these flashcards with your students. Hope that these flashcards help your students learn a little bit more effectively.